Sunshine and Sparkles. This is Aishwarya and today I'll be sharing with you an eye makeup look which is created from the My Glam X Manish Malhotra eye makeup palette. So without wasting any time, let's get on to the video. So for my moisturizer, I'm going to use the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. So let's apply that. So the beauty of this oil is that it really radiates your skin, gives you a dewy look and adds shine to your skin. This is what I love about it, and since today I'm going for a dewy look for my skin, so I guess this is the perfect oil that will give me that kind of a look. Next, for the primer, I'm going to use the Farsali Skin Tune Blur Perfecting Primer. What I love about this primer is that it gives such a smooth look to the whole area without over drying it. It is in the liquid form and it gives immense moisturization while creating that soft feature on your face. Now next, moving on to some hydration for the under eyes. Because since we're going for a dewy look, I want to give this look like a very brightened and uplifted look. So for that, I'm going to use the Farsali Haldi Eyes and placing that just below the eyes. We're going to blend that in. What this does is it instantly brightens up your under eyes and gives you a smooth, brightened, finished look. So now my canvas is ready to apply the foundation and the next steps of makeup. So for the foundation, I'm going to use the NARS Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation in the shade Barcelona. Now since I'm going for a dewy look, I don't want to apply a lot of foundation. So this is the only amount I'm going to apply. Let's get to blending this. Let's get on to the concealer, and for the concealer I am going to use this NYX Conceal Correct Contour palette in Deep. So taking this shade and applying it right under my eyes, I'm just going to take this shade on a small flat brush and start little by little just under the eyes. So I'm not aiming to go much with the concealer because I am going for a dewy look and also not a full coverage look. So I'm just trying to eliminate a little bit of darkness that is under the eye and not playing much with it. I'm just brightening up a little bit. If you see any spots or redness, then you can conceal that also while you're doing this. While we are doing the same process, I am going to also contour my face. So for the contour, I am going to take this shade right here, this shade, diving into it. Just taking a little bit so that I don't overdo it. I'm just going to place it on my contour line. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pout and look in the mirror and see where it falls down. So this is where my contour line actually falls. And then taking a beauty blender, I am just going to blend this out right here. So next, applying this powder from NYX. This is their Can't Stop Won't Stop powder foundation in the shade Neutral Buff. I'm going to take a powder brush and just take it, dab it well all over my face. Next, bronzing the same area, I'm going to use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Neutral Tan. So taking that on the brush and bronzing my face with it. So I'm done with bronzing my face now. Next, moving on to the blush. I'm going to use this blush from L'Oreal Paris, which is in the shade Duchess Rose. And taking it all over the brush, I am just going to apply it on my cheek. Right here, right on the apple of my cheek, and extend it backwards. Next, moving on to the eyes now, what I'm going to use is this My Glam X Manish Malhotra palette. This is in the shade Rendezvous. Now, taking a brush, big blending brush, I'm going to take this shade right here, this brown shade, and apply it all over my eyes, tapping off the excess. So my eye is blended now. Using this shade now, this pink shade right here on the top, Dusty Rose Pink shade, I'm going to take it on my pinky finger just like that and apply it right in the middle of my eye. Take a generous amount of that pink now, rub it on your pinky finger and just apply it on the middle of your eye. If you want, you can use a brush, but I prefer my finger because it really gives the kind of intensity that I really want. So this looks perfect. Next, moving to this beautiful golden shade that you see in the middle right here, this one. I am just going to take it on my pinky finger like I took the other shade. You can see this gold right here. This gold right here. This looks so damn beautiful. Now apply this right in the middle where you applied that earlier shade. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same brown, a little bit of it, just a little bit on this brush, and I'm just going to go on my lower lash line a little bit, not too heavy on it, just a little bit. To just intensify the look. So my eyeshadow look is done. Next, using the Maybelline Line Tattoo Crayon pen in brown, I'm going to just line my waterline with it. Next, moving on to the mascara, and I'm going to use one of my favorite mascaras, and that is from the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. So I'm going to use a volume side and apply it to my upper lashes. This is such a beautiful mascara and it gives such immense volume to the lashes. I'm in love with my lashes so much right now. Using the curl and length side of the mascara now. Like, can you guys believe that these are my lashes like without the falsies? Like, this gives such a beautiful uplifted look to my lashes, and the volume and the curl, everything is perfect. Oh my god, I'm in love with this, this mascara. So next, moving on to the highlighter, and for the highlighter I'm going to use the MAC highlighter in the shade Global Glow. Taking a small setting brush, I'm just going to swirl it on my highlighter, tap off the excess and just highlight the high points of my cheek. And I am done with the highlighter as well. Moving on to the second last step of my makeup look, I'm going to use this lip kit from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is in the shade Pillow Talk. So applying the lip liner now. This is one of my most favorite lipsticks in the nude pink shade. Now I've applied the lip liner and I'm going to apply the lipstick now. So let's do that. So this is how the lipstick looks like. Next, to seal the deal, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Makeup Setting Spray. This is always so refreshing, the last step. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you liked this. If you did, do like the video, comment down below and share this with your friends and family. And also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And do not forget to watch any of my videos because they all have something that you can gain knowledge from. If you really want to know like how to do your makeup or how to find something while you're doing makeup, so do not forget to watch my videos. And I post content every Sunday at 6 p.m. so just go subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the updates. This is me signing off. Bye.